Good morning, children. Today we are going to do revision worksheet 2. Answer the following questions. Has anyone ever seen him? Has anyone ever seen him? Nobody has ever seen him. What is the answer? Nobody has ever seen him. Question 2. Who lived in the cottage in the forest? Who lived in the cottage in the forest? A bear family lived in the cottage in the forest. Question 3. Who is Mr. Nobody? Mr. Nobody is a small little man who is a mischief maker in every house. Mr. Nobody is a small little man who is a mischief maker in every house. What did Goldilocks see on the table? Answer 4. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Once again we will read the question answers. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Has anyone ever seen him? Nobody has ever seen him. Question 2. Who lived in the cottage in the forest? Answer 2. A bear family lived in the cottage in the forest. Question 3. Who is Mr. Nobody? Answer 3. Mr. Nobody is a small little man who is a mischief maker in every house. Question 4. What did Goldilocks see on the table? Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Question 5. Whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? Goldilocks slept in the baby bear's bed because the tiny bed was just right for her to sleep. Was just right for her to sleep. Match the following. In column A, we have the words Mr. Nobody, bear family, porridge, middle-sized bowl. Column B, lived in the cottage, a funny little man, mama bears, 3 bowls. Now we will do the matching children. Column A, Mr. Nobody. So in column B, what is the correct answer? Yes, Mr. Nobody, a funny little man. Bear family. So the answer is lived in the cottage. Porridge. So it is 3 bowls. How many bowls were there of porridge? 3. Middle size bowl. So it is of mama bear. Whose bowl it was? It was mama bear's. So once again we will read. Match the following. Mr. Nobody, a funny little man. Bear family lived in the cottage. Porridge, 3 bowls. Middle sized bowl, mama bear. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Complete the poem using the words given in brackets. Now children, what is this exercise about? Here you can see in the bracket the blanks answers are already given. Now madam will give you the poem. You have to select the correct word from the bracket and write in the blanks which is given over here. Here is all blank is there. And then madam has written the answer over here. So we have to select from here and we have to do the exercise. Now let us see. Funny, little, quiet, mouse, mischief, done, house. Now I'll start. I know a dash dash man. So what I've written? Funny and little. So funny and little I've written over here. Has dash has a dash. So quiet has a mouse. So mouse I've written over here. Who does the dash? So mischief. So mischief is written over here. That is done. So done is written over here. In everybody's house. house is written over here. There is no one ever see his face. So did you follow, children? Over here what it is? I know a funny little man has a mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever see his face. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise of complete the poem, how to write, how to use it in the bracket. With words are given, so with the help of the words given in the bracket, you have to fill up the blanks, you have to complete the poem. Do this exercise in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting.